In this video, you will learn how to find data using a text search. In Granta Selector, you can search for the record name, or search for text in the datasheet. In the search panel, type in aluminum to see records from all available data tables. Double-click a record to view its datasheet. Search for turbine to see typical materials used for this application. Use the logical keyword "not" to find materials used in industrial turbines, but not wind turbines. You can use wildcards to represent unknown search characters. For example, type in TURB* to find materials used in both turbines and turbochargers.